Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing both devices. Update the LG system and your phone or laptop so compatibility issues are eliminated. Once done, make sure both the TV and sending device are on the same Wi-Fi band because mismatched bands can block discovery. Next, open the TV's screen share or miracast option from network settings to make the TV discoverable. This starts the handshake. If you use AirPlay, enable AirPlay specifically. Otherwise, use miracast on Windows and Android. You now initiate the connection from the source device while the TV awaits a handshake. On Android, open Cast or Smart View. On iOS, use AirPlay. On Windows, hit Project and choose a wireless display. When the TV shows a device name, select it. This triggers authorization. Make sure you accept the pairing prompt on the TV and enter the PIN if one appears. This prevents random connections. If the screen is blank, check input labels and let the devices finish buffering before assuming. You finish by confirming the display settings on the TV, set aspect ratio to 16:9, and choose the correct input label so the image fills the screen. If the connection drops or never appears, reboot both the TV and the source device and restart the router to clear network cache. Make sure firewalls or VPNs on the sending device are disabled. They often block miracast. If all else fails, reset the TV's screen share component to factory defaults and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.